All right, 1974 Triumph TR6. Hardtop, soft top. Car sits really nice. Not squatty in the back. Straight body panels. I'll get up close to the gaps to show you in a minute. All the chrome is good. The 74 bumperettes have been taken off, so it has that 73, 72 look. A little shorter, more nimble look. What a good looking car. Everything's so straight on this car and it sits so nice. Gentleman that had this before I bought it was retired, and this was his dink around car. Did suspension components and driveline components and just tweaked it in. What I want to show you now are the nice chrome, nice grille, good body gaps. All the rubber's good on the car. Good door gaps. You always want to check those door gaps on TR6s because they either rust or the rubber mounts from the frame to the body give way and these gaps open up. This car is not. Another place where they rust, where this car is good clean, is look how clean this line here is. Both sides. It's not full of Bondo, not full of rust. Top's in good shape. I think it's like new. Try to show you this interior. Dash is in nice condition. Seats are all nice. Carpets are nice. All the seals are nice. No rust in the jambs. Thump, not bad for a TR6. Back deck lid lines are good. Good chrome in the back. Good lenses. We'll put the car up in the air so you can see it at eye level here. And we're going to do a driving video. Here's another. Nice lines here, nice gaps. A little loose here on the upholstery, just a touch. These can be bought as a section, their own section. These wind laces are good. I mean, these window wipes are in good condition. Again, rubber seals are all good. No rust in here. Dash cap's in good shape. No cracks, it's not warped. The knee pad is a little wavy. Can't see it in that light. It's all right. Don't need to. It's pretty minor. I don't know what's in the trunk, but we'll open it up and take a look. A lot of stuff. Speakers, boot, tonneau, jack. Cardboard's in good condition back behind those speakers. Carpets are in good shape. It's not rusty up underneath there. Again, rubber seals are nice. The engine compartment is very tidy, clean, tight looking. Then I'll do a cold start here in a minute. All right, look at that. Everything's clean, nice. Cardboard in good shape. Upgraded valve cover valve cover. Battery has something underneath it to protect from rust, this is a common rust area where the batteries disintegrate and rot. Let me good green hoses as they're supposed to be. Let me make sure this car is in neutral and I'll start it up. Easy start up, not noisy, not rattling. Doesn't smoke. All right, we'll go ahead and put it up on the... I wanted to do one walk around on the outside, under the outside, out of the garage, because this car has such a nice stance, and I wanted to be able to profile that. And put it up on the lift, and we're going to go for a short drive. All right, here we are at eye level on the 74 TR6 that's made to look like a 73 without the rubber bumperettes. You can see how clean it is. This is a rust prone area here. It's clean and nice. Nose of the car is clean, lenses are clean, grille is clean, chrome is nice, front chin spoiler is good. Tires are deep in tread. They still have paint in the tread. And wheels are spectacular. They've obviously been redone. All four of them look brand new. Gaps are straight. Look how straight the side is on that car. Look at the reflection, just perfect. Come over here. Again, wheel condition like new. Straight sides, good body gaps, good lines. Nice straight sides, not rusty, good wheel, Goodyear tires, they're like new, no rust, no rust, no rust. Lenses are good, back bumper is good, no pitting. I'll raise the car on up into the air and show you the underside. Good wheel. On the underside, you can see the hole. The brake calipers are fresh. You get a better light over here. You can see fresh gold, brass brake calipers. Everything on the front suspension is new. Front shocks are new. All these bushings are new. Car is not a rusty car. See how straight it is. Let me get the light underneath here. These are rust prone areas. The drain plugs are still here. One thing that did happen to the car at some point, some bozo did not know where to jack it up. It's damaged this. Here it is from the outside. And he did the other side also. He's pushed it up here and pushed it here. You don't see it when the car is on the ground, but you sure see it when you put it on the lift. Frame's not rusty. Floorboards are not rusty. Nice exhaust all the way through. He has redone, let me get the light back here. This rear suspension's all been done. Look at this, all fresh. All these bushings are fresh. Nuts, bolts, CV boots, shocks, all fresh. Mounts, no clunking going on with this exhaust or this rear end. And another look at the underside. All right, there's a nice, straight, solid, pretty, nice driving TR6.